Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Quick return to fall, or at least what feels like fall. Cooler afternoon, showers, sun breaks. Matt mentioned it out at 18th and Chambers at the Great Rotary Duck Race ticket buy-in. It has been a bit of an interesting afternoon, and in fact, we've picked up about almost 6/10 of an inch of rain officially at the Eugene Airport. Now, a lot of that fell early this morning. We got most of that within about a 2-hour time span between about 7 to 9 a.m. Most of what we've been seeing throughout most of this afternoon has been just this, spotty showers that eventually start to get a little stronger, as you might expect. They run into the mountains there, get a little bit of extra uplift as they're running into the mountains, so thus the showers get a little more intense. Still, though, we've got a few light ones trying to move their way across to the direction they're all coming from the northwest, an indication that cooler Pacific air is spilling in as well. And you certainly, if you've been outside, have noticed that in the actual air temperature. So the rainfall amount so far has picked up, as I mentioned, just about 6/10 of an inch in Eugene, about 3/10 down in Roseburg, almost a 10th in Bend and Redmond, Corvallis, and North Bend. Newport, not as much. Lincoln City, they've picked up a couple of showers as well. And we're starting to see a couple of thunderstorms trying to develop, running their way into the central Cascades. I don't think we'll have much of an effect of that, or at least have much of a threat of thunderstorms across western end of the Cascades here. It's just too cool. We don't have that much of a temperature differential that we need to actually get those fired up. Now, speaking of cool, low 60s at the coast right now, mid 60s in Roseburg, in towards Eugene and Corvallis, 40s out in the mountains, and a 49 in La Pine. Very cool afternoon. Folks out across Highway 97 as well. So let's take a wider snapshot and show you what we've got across the state today. Still in the 80s out in Ontario and Aroma. That's where most of the heat has been bottled up. Otherwise, west side it has been quite cool. Temperatures well below average for this time of year, sitting in the mid to low 70s. And that's all because of the influence of this, what we call a trough, or a little dip in the jet stream here. There's no major associated low or storm system associated with this, but it is going to continue to spill in some cooler air, and thus at least a slight chance for showers as we go overnight tonight. Now, by tomorrow and into Thursday, we've got this ridge of high pressure building in. You can see it's pretty far off right now, so it is going to take about 24 hours for the crux of that, so to speak, to get closer to us, and that's when we'll really start to see an improvement in the weather in terms of the sunshine. So tomorrow morning, central north coast could get some leftover showers. I think everything else is gone by the afternoon. Clouds are going to be slow to clear across the Willamette Valley, especially here in the Southern Valley. So I do expect us to only get maybe a couple hours of the sunshine this afternoon. If it clears out ahead of time, we could be warming up faster. It will be warm, though, by the time we head into Thursday's forecast, ahead of what is going to be the first of a couple of different strong fall storms. First ones we've seen on the radar so far this year that will lead to a bit of a cooler and certainly soggy weekend forecast. So the coast, we'll see the temperatures in the mid 60s tomorrow. Sunny skies by the afternoon. I do think it'll clear along the coast pretty quickly. Nice looking Thursday, and then downright windy ahead of the first rain wave coming through by mid-afternoon. Saturday, Sunday, and into early next week, kind of a soggy looking overall forecast. In the UMPQUA Basin, temperatures will be in the mid 70s tomorrow. Foggy to start, sunny skies to finish, and then a quick bump into the mid 80s on Thursday. Friday into Saturday, watch the temperatures come crashing down with the cooler air and scattered showers. Most of Friday, though, for folks in the UMPQUA should be fine. I don't think the rain will be there till after dinner time. Cascades, sunny tomorrow, but thunderstorms and rain showers through the weekend. Bend and Redmond, same deal. Sunny tomorrow, sunny Thursday and Friday, but then much, much cooler as we head into the weekend forecast. And in the valley, we'll clear out slowly tomorrow afternoon. We got a lot of moisture around with the rain today, so I think this is going to take some time. Thursday's the day, though. If you've got that last sort of gas, you got to get outside and do that running. You can do it this weekend. Probably best to find the kids some indoor activities because it's going to be a little soggy.
All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Justin.